Malnutrition. Malnutrition means lack of sufficient nutrients in the body. Malnutrition occurs when the body doesn't get enough nutrients. Causes includes a poor diet, digestive conditions, or another disease. Malnutrition is of three types: calorie malnutrition, protein malnutrition, protein calorie malnutrition. Calorie malnutrition. Calorie malnutrition means less calorie in the body. Protein calorie malnutrition, PCM, also called as protein energy malnutrition, PEM. It occurs when a child doesn't eat enough proteins and energy to meet the nutritional needs. Harmful effects of malnutrition in children. Children at very young age, due to unbalanced diet, they get affected to deficiency disorder and get into diseases. It can lead to serious health issues including stunted growth, eye problems, diabetes, and heart diseases. Malnutrition also leads to poor school performance, which can result in future income reduction. Adults who were undernourished as children are at the risk of developing diseases such as obesity, diabetes, and cardiovascular issues. Malnutrition diseases in children. Kwashiorkor disease, marasmus, obesity. Kwashiorkor. This is due to protein deficiency in diet. The body parts become swollen due to accumulation of water in the intracellular spaces. Very poor muscle development. Fluffy face, swollen legs, diarrhea, dry skin are the symptoms of this disease. Kwashiorkor is mostly found in people living in geographical areas that have limited food resources. It's most commonly seen in children whose diets are low in protein and calorie. Marasmus. This is both protein and calorie deficiency. This disease occurs when there is an immediate second pregnancy of repeated childbirth. Marasmus is both protein and calorie deficiency. This occurs when there is an immediate second pregnancy of repeated childbirth. Symptoms: lean and weak bones, swelling in joints and limbs, less muscle development, diarrhea and dry skin. Obesity. Obesity often results from taking in more calories than are burnt by exercise and normal daily activities. Obesity. Due to overeating obesity is caused due to overeating and excess of calorie intake. This is also a big health hazard. The children, when they grow, they will be rather too many diseases like diabetes, cardiovascular, renal, and tail bladder problems. Pellagra. What is pellagra? Pellagra is a disease caused due to lack of vitamin niacin, vitamin B3. Pellagra is a disease characterized by diarrhea, dermatitis, and dementia. If left untreated, death is usual outcome. It occurs as a result of niacin vitamin B3 deficiency. Dementia means memory disorder. Thank you.